Maybe you've experienced falling out of love with someone, whether it's your partner or your mother-in-law. Well, I had this with a cat. I was taking care of this cat for 6 weeks. And in the beginning, it was like we were best friends. We were doing yoga together, we were cuddling. But his behavior changed at some point, and it started to become really tough to like him. And so I did this NVC process that is about self-empathy. And it helped me to really start loving him again. So I would like to show you the process. I recorded what I did, so you can apply it to your loved ones.
So when I think about the cat right now, I feel a bit disgusted. Like he has this wound in his face that keeps opening. He seems to poop like every hour, just a tiny bit, but it smells like it's like the worst thing I ever smelled. I also stepped in his puke with my bare foot. He peed on my lap. He peed on my favorite meditation cushion that was like 30 euros. And there's a big stain right now, and there's pee in it. And now I'm thinking maybe I should go to my niece, but I'm not ready. Like, I'm still too annoyed. Like, I even want to throw him out of the balcony. So I suspect there's some really important needs that are not met. Funny. Predictability is like touching me. I'm a bit surprised. Yeah, maybe there is something about, it's actually really touching me. Like, I think I really have a need for structure and, predictability. Like now, like usually when I wake up, I just, like, stumble around the house a little bit, and then I do my yoga, and I'm just like in this really slow, sleepy mood. And now I'm like opening my bedroom door, and it's like meow, meow, and it's just so disturbing. And and it's smelly right away. Like, I open the door and it smells like poo, and and I think like only today I realized that, like, I have to, like, well, I don't know how I have to, but it would be helpful for both of us if I would adjust my schedule and just take more time in the morning. Beauty as well. I really need this kind of like tranquil space. This is my working space. This is my professional space where I'm also, having couples that come and other private sessions. I also need to incorporate another cleaning moment. And I think if I know that, and that I also know that way I will be able to relax more in my house, just when it looks, kind of tidy. I think I also would like some collaboration. It's not really what I need. I think I want to be seen in what I'm doing, and that is kind of struggle. That's it. I want to be seen. But it's, at least right now, like a lot harder than I thought. And I'm also having this thought, wow, if I want to have a child, that's gonna be even more harder. So am I even up for that? Okay, so I wanted to give a little update because I just woke up and I went right away to sit with the cat. He was meowing right away, but I was already planning to go and sit with him. And it was actually kind of meditative to just, instead of waking up and right away doing all kinds of stuff, it was more like relaxing, very interesting, insight, discovery. That last night I was putting again the cream on his wound, and before I had a few days where I just found it like too gross, and I noticed that. First I thought, okay, I have to be less disgusted, so I have to clean more and clean the cat more, and then I'll love him more, let's say. But now what I discovered is that I was doing the disgusting thing, like putting the cream on his wound. And right while I was doing it, I didn't find it disgusting at all. Like I just went into this different mode of being kind of a doctor, and I just wanted his wound to be fine, and I didn't find it disgusting at all. And yeah, so I discovered it's the other way around. Like instead of first you have to be less disgusted and then you love more. At least for me, it was like the other way around. I started loving him right away when I was. I find him, just by doing the loving thing, I find him less disgusting, I guess. So it's very interesting for me to discover. And I feel kind of relieved. It's not like, everything is solved or something. I also talked about it with my boyfriend, and we agreed that some mornings he would also do the poo cleaning and everything. And I was thinking I wanted to have a dialogue with him, with the cat. Yeah, I guess I mourn a little bit. I want to say that I'm sorry that I didn't, that I didn't react to all your meowing, to all your requests, let's say, for attention. That I was annoyed because I maybe didn't understand so well, because I'm not really used to cats. He's sitting his ass towards me. Yeah, I really mourned that I didn't understand you. And then I had this hateful thoughts about you. And it's like you didn't even choose to be here, to be with people at all. But definitely not to be here. Mm-hmm. Yeah. What can I like? I'm touching you. Mm-hmm. I wonder if I have anything more to say. I'm kind of touched that I can talk to him. And yeah, he's really looking at me.